as we embark on this protest vote. That is our strategy. And as we told you people when we unveiled our president's portrait the other day, our campaign slogan is a new Uganda now. A new Uganda now is what we are going to be preaching to the whole country. We are glad that this morning we've picked forms for our president, Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert, who is definitely the man who we have trusted as the people of Uganda to usher us into a new Uganda, which we've been talking about. And we call upon the people of Uganda to join this cause. The last time you joined us massively, they rigged, they did all sorts of things, but we have come with new energy to continue this struggle and push it forward. This process has started, and you can see all of us are here excited to go on the front line to collect signatures, to go out there and campaign, and to ensure that our president ultimately gets the victory that the people of Uganda will have given him. But you know that it is a challenging journey. You remember the last time we picked forms like we have now, and a few days later, after going through a lot of work to fill them, the military and police raided our headquarters and stole those forms, stole money and all sorts of things. We hope they are not planning to do the same thing now. But we also want to tell them that regardless of what they do, like Mama said, we are a locomotive on the move. And so nothing is going to stop us, nothing is going to derail us. The last time they did it, they took away our forms and people were able to come in very, very quickly and give us new signatures, and were able to nominate our candidate. And of course, they have been doing all sorts of things, as you can see. But we are telling them that we are watching and we shall be following.
In DP, the presidential flag bearer automatically is the party president. The moment you are voted as a party president, you automatically endorsed as a presidential flag bearer, which we did. And so we are here in my role as a Secretary General, as the lead of government business of our party. And the person that is supposed to endorse the candidature of the party president as a DP flag bearer in the Honorable Norbert Mao. We are here and we have picked forms. We know this is a process we have done, not once, not twice, so we know what is required. It has been my cry always that political parties that are registered and that feed their returns to the Electoral Commission wouldn't ideally go through the process of picking, going to check and find over 95 districts of Uganda, because it is presumed that we already have the numbers. We are registered in a multi-party dispensation of a proper system that functions in a multi-party. Parties that are endorsed as parties don't go through that process because they have already done it. Actually, we just put our returns here in June. You know, technically, we have already done that process. So subjecting political parties to a process like that is a wastage of resources, and it undermines the spirit of a multi-party dispensation. That should be subjected to independence, because we do not know where they come from, they have no headquarters and all those.
The Commission, the Electoral Commission, has so far given out 175 forms, supporter forms, nomination forms, and guidelines for that position. Out of the 175, 8 have so far picked the forms on behalf of political parties. Today, 2 political parties, at this point, at 1 p.m., 2 political parties have picked the forms, and that is National Unity Platform, NUP, and the Democratic Party. These add to the 6 that picked these forms last week, and you have the lists of those that picked last week.